In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Google Drive files in a folder on PC. By the end, you'll have your Google Drive showing up right inside File Explorer, just like any other folder, so you can browse, search, and manage files with ease. First, you'll need Google Drive for desktop. This small app is what connects your online drive to your computer. Download and install it from Google, then open it and sign in with your Google account. This sign-in is essential because it links the app to your files and is what makes your drive show up on your PC. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you choose the one that actually holds the files you want to see. Once that's set, open File Explorer. On the left sidebar, you should see Google Drive listed alongside your other locations. Click it and you'll land in your drive just like you would in a regular folder. You'll see My Drive, which contains your personal files and folders, and if your account has access to them, shared drives as well. From here, you can drag files in, copy items out, rename folders, and use the search box in File Explorer to quickly find what you need. It feels familiar because it's designed to work like any other directory on your PC. Next, choose how your files appear on the computer. Click the Google Drive icon in your system tray near the clock, select the gear for settings, and open Preferences. You'll see two modes, Stream Files and Mirror Files. Stream Files is the default and is great for saving disk space. Your files show up instantly in File Explorer, but they live in the cloud and only download when you open them. This keeps your PC light while still giving you quick access. If you need a folder when you're offline, the app lets you mark it to be available without internet, while still using streaming for everything else. Mirror Files, on the other hand, stores your entire drive locally on your PC. Everything is always available, even without a connection, and opening files is instant because they're already on your drive. This is best if you have plenty of disk space or you often work where internet is slow or unavailable. Just remember it will use as much space as your drive content requires. After you choose the mode, confirm your settings. Your File Explorer view will adjust accordingly, and that's it. Your Google Drive now appears as a folder on your PC, ready for everyday use.